Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English for Beginners. In today's lesson, we will learn how to speak English at a pharmacy. This conversation is easy to understand and useful in everyday life. Let's begin.
Hello.
Hello. How can I help you today?
I don't feel well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache and a fever
How long have you had these symptoms?
since yesterday evening.
Do you have a cough or a sore throat?
Yes, I have a sore throat too.
I see. Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I'm not.
Are you taking any other medicine right now?
No.
I can recommend these tablets for your fever and headache.
Do I need a prescription?
No, you don't.
How should I take them?
Take one tablet every 6 hours after meals.
Should I drink plenty of water?
Yes, drink plenty of water and get some rest.
Do you have something for a sore throat?
Yes, these lozenges can help.
What about the cough syrup?
Take 2 teaspoons of the syrup 3 times a day.
Should I shake the bottle before using it?
Yes, shake the bottle well before every use.
Should I keep this medicine in the refrigerator?
No, keep it in a cool and dry place.
Can children take this medicine?
This medicine is for adults. Children need a different dosage.
I see.
Always read the instructions on the label before taking any medicine.
Okay, I will remember that. Are there any side effects of this medicine?
Some people may feel a little sleepy after taking it.
Should I avoid driving?
Yes, if you feel sleepy, avoid driving.
What should I do if I miss a dose?
Take it when you remember.
What if it is almost time for my next dose?
Then skip the missed dose. Do not take 2 doses together.
Okay. Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome.
Do you have a thermometer?
Yes, we do.
I would like to buy one too.
Sure. This is a digital thermometer.
How do I use it?
Turn it on and place it under your tongue for a few seconds.
Okay.
It is easy to use and gives accurate results.
Do you have vitamin C tablets?
Yes, we have vitamin C supplements.
Are they good for immunity?
They can support your health, but they are not a replacement for a balanced diet.
I understand.
Make sure you also get enough rest and drink plenty of fluids.
Yes, I will. When should I see a doctor?
You should see a doctor if your fever continues for more than 3 days.
What if my symptoms get worse?
If your symptoms become worse, visit a doctor as soon as possible.
Okay. Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you would like to buy?
No, that's all for today.
Okay, let me check your items.
Sure.
You have fever tablets, cough syrup, throat lozenges, and a thermometer.
Yes, that's correct.
Your total is $35.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept card payments.
Great. Here is my card.
Please insert your card and enter your PIN.
Okay,
Your payment has been approved.
thank you.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Can I get a bag, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching Daily English for Beginners. I hope you enjoyed today's conversation. Follow us for more simple and useful English conversations. Keep practicing your English every day and stay confident. See you in the next lesson.